Ito kami guys, weekend. Dito lang kami, naglalakad-lakad. Mga 10 minutes away lang to sa bahay namin. Ito yung nilalakad-lakaran namin. Ito, kagubatan. Kagubatan. Yung maririnig mo is yung ano lang, boses lang ng mga ibon at mga ano, butterfly. So, butterfly. It's so tall na the trees here. Guys, naglagay sila ng bee house dito. Ayan. Ang dami. Ooh, bee. Two, 4, 7. Okay, bye-bye. Kidaan lang. We just want to pass, bee. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, so much. Look at that.
Bye-bye.